Hi everyone, this is Michael with SketchUp Core. I'm back with another SketchUp tutorial series for you. In this video, we'll be discussing SketchUp basic tools and their functions. We'll be grouping these tools according to functions, and for today's video, we'll be diving into the camera tools or the navigation tools. These tools are essentials for you to move around your model with ease, and mastering these tools will make your model workflow faster and more precise. So if you're a beginner user of SketchUp, you'll find this video useful and helpful. Let's begin. So for our first tool, we're talking about the orbit tool. This tool helps you rotate your view around your model, and you can activate your orbit tool by clicking on the orbit tool icon or pressing the O button on your keyboard. So you can quickly click on our orbit tool icon. So you click and drag to rotate around your view or your model. So we have a simple armchair model here. This was modeled in SketchUp. So if we want to take a look at this model, we can easily orbit around this model. You can click and drag to orbit around a model. The orbit tool has a secondary function, and that will be the next tool we're talking about. You can quickly hold your shift button when you're using your orbit tool to temporarily pan across a model or a view. So like I said, the pan tool helps you move your view either up, down, left, or right. And the difference between the pan tool and the orbit tool is the orbit tool gives you the option of or the opportunity to rotate around your model. But for the pan tool, you're just allowed to move around your view, either going up, down, to the left, or to the right. And you can activate the pan tool by holding your middle mouse button, which is your wheel, or you hold on your shift button while you're activating your orbit tool, or you can quickly click on the pan button icon here to activate your pan tool. For our next tool, we'll be talking about the zoom tool. The zoom tool helps you get closer or further away from your model. So you can activate the zoom tool by clicking on the zoom icon, or you can use your mouse wheel. So scrolling your mouse wheel upwards helps you zoom into your model that's closer to your model. And when you use your wheel downwards, it helps you move further away from your model. So we can zoom into the model to see some details, and we can zoom further away from the model to get a hold of how the whole model looks like. And for this video, lastly, we'll be talking about the zoom extend tool. Let's say, for instance, we zoomed deeply into this model. We can easily zoom out by clicking on the zoom extend icon instead of using our mouse wheel to roll further from our model. If we're working with a large scale model, let's say we're working with a kitchen model or a bathroom model, something of large scale, we can easily zoom to the extent of the whole screen of the model to know how the whole scene looks like instead of rolling your mouse wheel down. So for this video, we briefly just talked about the navigation tools or the camera tools. We talked about our orbit tool that helps us rotate around our model. We talked about our pan tool that helps us move our model to the left, the right, up, or the down. We talked about our zoom tool, which can be activated by clicking on the zoom button or using your mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out. And we also talked about the zoom extend tool, which can help you zoom to your whole view or your whole model. And you can also activate the zoom extend tool by holding the shift and Z button. So that will be all for our camera tools. It's good you practice with these tools in a simple model to understand how some of them work. We have some other camera tools, but these are for the 4 major basic camera tools or navigation tools. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Because for our next video, we'll be exploring our drawing tools. Thanks for watching.